If sampling indicates Varroa mite levels in your colonies are high enough to exceed thresholds or cause concern, consider treatments that fit within your integrated pest management strategy. For more information on integrated pest management and mite thresholds, see the Tools for Varroa Management Guide and the Introduction and Sampling Methods videos in this series. This video shows how requeening and brood interruption may help keep Varroa numbers reduced. Other videos in this series discuss Varroa sampling methods and other control chemicals and techniques. Requeening and brood interruption work best during the population increase phase. Both methods can be effective during population peak, although they may require lifting heavy supers and the honey harvest may potentially be reduced. Requeening and brood interruption are less useful when colony populations are decreasing and may reduce colony overwintering success. Neither method is useful during the dormant phase when there is little or no brood present. Newly requeened colonies can grow faster than associated mite populations, which can reduce the level of mite infestation. There are many ways to requeen a colony. Here are 3 approaches. As a colony reaches or approaches peak population phase, find the queen, remove and cage her, or put her into a separate box, a split of 1 to 3 brood frames. Include a retinue of attendants and provide water. After 3 to 10 days, reintroduce the caged queen or reunite the separated split colony with the original hive. It is recommended to first remove all developing queen cells prior to requeening. A second approach is to introduce a newly mated queen after dequeening the colony. Find and kill the old queen or use her in a different colony. Wait 3 to 10 days, remove all developing queen cells, then introduce a new queen in a cage. A third alternative is to remove the queen and allow the colony to rear a replacement. If you want to use selected stock, introduce a capped queen cell raised from the desired stock. Requeening during population increase may reduce honey production if not timed properly. During population decrease, requeening may impair a colony's overwintering success. In all phases, requeen colonies will have a period when they lack capped brood. During this period, all mites are phoretic, so the colony can be treated with oxalic acid or HopGuard 2 if mite sampling exceeds threshold or you wish to implement an integrated pest management control technique. When requeening, using resistant or tolerant stock can further reduce mite levels in a colony. Commonly used resistant stock includes Russian queens, Varroa sensitive hygiene, VSH, improved carniolan, Minnesota hygienic, and some buckfast and selected stock. Brood interruption can dramatically reduce the level of mite reproduction. During the population increase phase, it can be combined with swarm control. You can interrupt brood production in many ways. Here are 2 approaches. First, you can split strong colonies into 2 or more divisions. Remove 1 to 3 brood frames to create new splits, which will be temporarily queenless. They can requeen themselves, or you can introduce a caged queen. The second approach is to remove the queen, reorganize the brood area, and reintroduce her, or a new queen, after 3 to 7 days. Remove all developing queen cells before queen introduction. Requeening and brood interruption can be effective mite reduction treatments within an integrated pest management program. Requeening with resistant stock can increase effectiveness of treatments that target mite reduction. Both methods are labor-intensive, and proper timing is critical to maintaining honey production and overwintering success. Thanks for watching this video from the Honeybee Health Coalition. Visit honeybeehealthcoalition.org and download the Tools for Varroa Management Guide, which has more detailed information on all the topics in this video series. All videos are provided free of charge, and we encourage you to share them.